Hey everyone, before I get into how I patched this hole in the background here, I know there's going to be people telling me how they do it this way, they do it that way. There's another 25 different ways to have patched this hole. I'm simply showing you this one way because I had the gear to do it this way. There's all different kinds of ways to do it, different fillers. You can cut back to where the studs are. You can put tape over here, especially if you go to the studs, because that's what moves. That's why I didn't have to put tape over this, because it's not on studs. So for all the yahoos out there, this is the way I've done it. I know there's another 100 ways to do it. Our electrician put a hole in the wall because we put in solar, and there's this hole in the wall. It has to be fixed. Look, I've been around the traps for a long time. I was a painter for almost around 40 years. I'm going to show you how we used to patch holes. A really old-fashioned way, but it's super quick, it's super easy, with no fuss. There's no special tools apart from a screwdriver, spatula or two, or what we call joint knives, and some screws. That's it. So come with me, I'll show you in the laundry how I go about fixing a hole and making it super simple and super fast.